Alright, this video is a brief description of the additive pump module that we provide with our injection systems. This is what we'll normally send for a mobile system on a truck or a transport. Remove the lid, of course. Inside you'll see we have a box for making all the electrical connections. We have a pump. This is a 100 micron stainless steel filter, and this is a meter. We actually meter the additive out. This is a stainless steel positive displacement pump that we typically will do ratio blending, and to do that we vary the speed of this pump and we throttle it up and down to maintain the correct ratio. After the pump is the filter or screen. I'll show you that. I have one here just to show you the insides. It's a Holly, and it's got a stainless steel mesh inside. It also has a spring so it doesn't become dislodged. So it's pretty easy to clean. You probably won't need to clean it for years. If you do need to clean it, we do have the ability to open it. We have a union here, and you can get to it. Even though it looks tight, you can get it out. After the screen is really there to keep from jamming the meter. The meter is very precise. We get almost 8,000 pulses per gallon on the additive from that. It's a McNaught meter. I have one here to show you the insides briefly, so you can see what that looks like. Inside it's an aluminum housing, but the gears are stainless steel, and that's pretty much it. So you should never really have to get into that, but if you do ever have to get into it, we have it mounted in such a way that you can without a lot of effort. You may see various pumps depending on the situation, what was sold based on what type of additive. Here's an example of another pump that you might see. It's very similar, but it's from a different manufacturer, and it just meets different needs. So this is an Aeromotive pump. We also provide, typically with the pump module, a float switch. This float switch is to go in the tank and will give us an indication when the tank is almost empty, and we will know, and then we will never pump air. You might also see a tank gauge rather than a float switch, depends on the situation. But we try to provide everything you need for installation as much as we can. As you can see on the pump module, again, typically there's quick connects. We provide the other side of the quick connects for installation. This quick connect is particularly useful because this is the output, and by having a quick connect there, you can use the calibration hose that we provide and do a quick calibration. Calibration is recommended maybe once a year, but you won't find that it changes very much. We also provide the electrical cord grips and check valves needed for installation. The only thing we really don't provide is the wire and the plumbing. So that is the pump module, typical pump module that we would ship. There's some variations out there, but they all basically do the same thing. So that's the end of the video. Thank you.